This is supposed to be the only and last air filter that you're supposed to have to buy, which we will be testing that out. So you're supposed to be able to wash it out, let it dry, and then reuse it. So it claims that it has a lifetime usability. It's a Merv 11, and supposedly they are NASCAR's official performance filter. So interesting. This size is a 20 by 30 by 1. That is the size that our house uses. And we have a lot of animals and a lot of people in our house, and to go through air filters is redonkulous. I don't think we can even get to like 30 days before the air filter is dirty and disgusting. I'm not sure exactly how the air quality is going to be. I know that our air conditioning unit, if it's too thick of a filter, it will cause the system to not work as well. I don't know, we're gonna have to see, and then hopefully it's good.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the filters now. This one is about a week overdue, but only a week. So, should have been replaced on the 1st. It's the 9th now. And you're gonna see how dirty it gets. You can see how, that's supposed to be bright white. So, pretty gross, pretty nasty. Luckily that's not in our air anymore, but still. So this one, all I should have to do is take it out when it's done, spray it down with some cleaner and water, and then be able to put it right back in there, so it should return back to this natural yellow color. It is significantly heavier. Like, this thing feels like it weighs a couple of pounds, whereas this feels like it weighs a third of a pound. So we got installation instructions. And then these are the airflow. So the airflow is going to go up. So we'll make sure that this part is not visible, and this is the part that will be visible from the bottom. So like that. Oh, you know what? That's going to be just fine. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay. All right, well, she's up there. Let's go ahead and turn this system on here and see how it does. Oh, definitely pulls it up there. And then only other thing to consider or just watch is power usage. So we have a variable speed motor for this, and I just heard it slow down a little bit, which is good. But the harder it runs, or the faster it runs, the more power it's going to use. So that'll be interesting for us to also watch, considering we're here in Arizona and the AC runs pretty much all year long. So we will watch that. We'll let you guys know what we see as far as like an update video eventually, but so far, whereas the RPM's already kicked down, I think it's going to work just fine. So cool.
We'll see you in 30 days.
We'll see you in 30 days.
All right, so we just pulled the filter out of our AC, and it's been in there for quite a while, so it's pretty dirty. So let's go clean this out. So we're gonna take this outside and just spray it out with the hose, and then we'll set it up in our bathroom, probably in the shower, just to dry out. gonna flip it to the back. Oh yeah, look at all that. That's pretty gross. That's all the dog hair. Alright, so that's all been rinsed out, cleaned with just some orange cleaner. Rinsed out both sides, vertical and horizontal. So now we just need to let it dry. And then once it's fully dry, we can just reinsert it, and that's literally it. You can just keep reusing it until it literally falls apart, I guess. I have been testing out this Merv air filter for several months now, and I'm finally able to start telling you guys what my final thoughts are. This was advertised to us through Amazon, and these are the things that we noticed, pros and cons of this device. So first thing right off the bat, this Merv air filter, as soon as you take it out of the box, you notice that it is thick with like 2 C's. It is heavy duty, it is thick. So because of that, we will notice that our air quality, it will be better, but our amount of energy that our device is actually using in order to suck the air through it is significantly higher. The other con with this is we recommend buying 2 of them. You want to have one in your system using, and then the second one as your backup to replace. So there is maybe a little bit higher of a cost at the beginning, but let me tell you why we love these air filters. Comparing price to price, we literally started saving money after 3 months of using this. So we don't get the cheapest versions, but we also don't get the most expensive versions of air filters for our system. After 3 months of using this Merv air filter, we already were saving money. But if you use the very cheap ones, it might take you longer, maybe 1 to 2 years to actually see cost savings. So keep that in mind. Other pros that we absolutely loved with this, we saw better air quality. The item itself, it is heavy duty. Because of it being like thicker, heavy duty, it will last a really long time. To clean it out, it was super easy. We actually saw a lot of pet hair actually come out of it as well when we were cleaning it, which is kind of gross, but kind of cool to see what's in your air. The other pro is this is a one-time purchase. Once you buy those 2 air filters, we do recommend buying 2 at a time. But once you purchase that, you're basically in the zone of just saving money. It's just a matter of time. So those are our final thoughts on the Merv air filters. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. Are you interested in checking one of these out? Perhaps maybe trading out and saving some money and also some renewable energy items. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you guys in my next video.